excited? What are you excited for? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we actually had a fairly productive weekend. So every single year around Christmas time, there's like this little holiday type party for the autistic community. So we normally try to take the kiddos there for that, since we do have an autistic child, and it allows her to be able to interact with other kids that are also autistic. And they also have a Santa there that will have gifts that they'll hand out, and there's there's music, there's activities, there's different things that that all the kids can do. They have like a golf cart that pulls a train, and you'll see. We had a great time. So I'm gonna put a few little clips of that into this video. We don't really record a whole lot while we are there, just because not everyone there likes to be on camera. I'm only going to show a few things of what happened while we were there, and then we are going to get to our activities for today, of what we did today being Sunday, of cleaning up the backyard and finally winterizing our garden. All right, so follow along. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click that link down in the corner. Share it out to your friends. Give us a thumbs up, greatly appreciated, helps the numbers, and enjoy.
You got a Barbie doll!
All right.
That's so cute. And it's Rapunzel.
You gotta come sit down. You gotta sit down next to him.
I like the big one.
I like the big one.
I like big one.
Play with you.
But you like them.
big one.
All right, ready?
Ready?
But you like them.
All right, you might be in the frame, honey. All right, you're good.
All right.
You want to take another one? I like your shirt. No? Okay. All right. Ready? You want another one? You want to take it again? Okay.
Yeah, she got it.
One more. Did they find her? Did they find her? Okay, good. Hold on, Yaya. My baby. You recording?
Yeah.
Yaya!
You want to say hi?
Say hi! Wait, say hi!
What she loves the most is to go driving.
Yeah.
Apologize for the wind. It's pretty windy today. Here they go. So while the women folk are over there burning some of our shreddables, getting rid of, because obviously the shredder we have is not very good. We go through and we burn a lot of stuff, and we've showed that before. So
like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Oh, okay, I'm recording. But it looks like I'm recording slowly. I don't know. Say hi. Oh, is this on a timestamp? I mean, no, it's not fast. Oh, you're gonna give me your stanky leg?
Stanky leg. I'm hot.
You see, he's hot.
It's hot out here.
Okay,
And it's smoky.
let's see.
Our fire is dwindling.
Say hi.
Hi.
There's our daughter. Yeah. Oh, I can't see you no more, so I don't know if I'm catching your whole face.
Yeah, yeah, you're gonna catch all of this amazing awesomeness.
Now the smoke is burning. Your dad's conceited.
What are we doing today?
I don't know. What are we doing? I'm cleaning the yard.
Yeah.
I'm cleaning the yard,
we're
and
finally cleaning out your garden.
Yeah, I
for
want
the
to.
winter.
I want to throw that metal bin thing over there and that ugly table. I want to toss that. Can we do that?
We can do that.
Okay, that sounds great.
I'll put it off to our
To our trash pile,
to the side,
the dump pile.
the dump pile that we've
Yeah.
already cleaned out. before.
Yeah, well, we need to dump more stuff in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
All right. And
Back to work.
Yep, back to work. Say ciao.
As you can see, we got a nice blanket of leaves coming in, getting the raised garden bed ready for winter. Also, I still need to fill this. So this area over here, I mean, you can kind of see how much is sunk down. So it was more up to like this level. So this was a herbiculture style raised garden bed. So I'll link up in the top the video of making this garden bed, along with how we set it up for garden bed. Yeah. So down underneath was all the bigger chunks of wood and such, and just over on this side where I showed you that it lowered down a lot more than the other side, just because the type of wood that we put in there, along with just the size of the wood, that it lowered down a lot more. So this side's going to require a lot more leaves, along with a lot more dirt, but whenever it comes time to get it ready for the spring. But yeah, we don't have any trees in our yard here, so I kind of have to rely on neighbors' trees to provide us leaves for doing this. And yeah, I still got a few more areas that I can rake up and get this done. So I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. Plus we are getting rid of the table here and then some of this stuff, so that's gonna go to the dump eventually. But I'll get it moved off to the side of the yard where we basically put all of our trash to get stuff ready to go to the dump. And yeah, but this is basically just a day of being out here cleaning the yard. We haven't had a chance to talk to the kiddo in a couple months, so we've been past couple hours spending some time on the phone with her, I talked with her for quite a while, and then Gladys talking with her for quite a while, which they love communicating because they have the same interests when it comes to the psychology and such, to the things that Gladys went to school for. The kiddos kind of be doing the same thing, so that's awesome. They have that shared interest on that, and they'll talk about it for hours. But we love you, kiddo. If you're watching this, just know that we do love you, and we do enjoy those times we get a chance to talk to you on the phone. All right, so let's get back to raking up some leaves and getting this, and then I'll show you whenever I'm done, I guess. All right, here we go. So got it all filled in all the way around. So I mean, the yard's not 100% cleaned up yet, so yeah, once again my wife left. She went inside to go check on the kids and didn't come back, so I'm gonna go figure out what happened, and that way we can get these tables put in. And oh yeah, now that I'm done working, look who decides to show back up.
I don't. I was taking care of our kids. Especially that one.
So, hey, daughter.
I got.
You have to shower.
Yeah, and then we have to go drop off the other child.
Okay. So, yeah, I know, we're stupid. Catch you on video.
Say bye.
But toodaloo, I love you.
Bye. Love you.
For the next 3 months, I guess. We'll talk at you later.
Okay. Quickly.
Someone's busy with her new job.
I'm busy with like literally everything.
Yeah,
My
literally.
job is just part of it.
Literally
I'm adulting.
everything. She's adulting.
Yeah.
I'm adulting.
So, I know. But we love you.
Don't forget to breathe.
Yeah.
We love you.
I don't know. Love
You
you.
take.
All right, I also got some timber set up here on some sawhorses, and if you want to see what I'm going to be doing with these timbers, then make sure you're clicking that subscribe down on the bottom, giving us a thumbs up, share us out to your friends, and yeah, that's going to go to another great project that I got going. But we definitely appreciate you guys for following along on today's vlog of just cleaning up, winterizing the garden, cleaning up the backyard, and just following along on our journey. We greatly appreciate that. We're just another day closer to getting monetized and getting our numbers up there of what we need to do. So we'll see you on the next one. All right, now, bye bye.